Hi, sweeties. Welcome to Sweet Savant. I'm Demetra, and I've got a fantastic holiday ham recipe for you. It's got peaches, it's got those Georgia peanuts. I'm going to show you how to make it. And bonus, we've got a cocktail recipe for you. I've partnered with Bud Light Seltzer and the Thirsty Bartenders to bring you a fantastic ham recipe, cocktail recipe. Let's get into it. But first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. Now let's get into this delicious holiday ham recipe. Oh, and stick around at the end and I'll show you a little behind the scenes.
Happy holidays! Samantha and Bianca here from the Thirsty Bartenders.
And today we're going to create another unquestionably good pairing with the refreshing flavors of Bud Light Seltzer.
Today we have Chef Demetra from Georgia, and she goes by Sweet Savant on Instagram. Hey Demetra girl!
Hey, how y'all doing?
We are hungry right now looking at that beautiful ham you have there. We want to know what this is called and what inspired you to make this.
This is my sweet peach glazed ham with spicy Georgia peanuts. For me, ham is the ultimate holiday food. And what is more Georgia than Georgia peaches? And Georgia is the #1 peanut growing state in the United States.
I did not know that peanuts were a Georgia thing. Okay, I'm really excited to find out how to make this recipe so I can make it at my holiday dinner. Run us through it.
First, we're gonna make our glaze. We're gonna start with 1 cup of peach jam or preserves and mix that with 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next, we'll place our ham cut side down in a foil-lined pan. Season our ham with cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Then pour half of our glaze over the ham. Cover the ham with foil and heat it at 350 degrees for an hour and a half or 2 hours. We'll chop and toast our peanuts. Pour the peanuts into a bowl and season them with cayenne pepper, depending on how hot you like it, smoked paprika, and dried chives. When our ham is nice and hot, we'll take it out of the oven and pour the remaining glaze over it and broil it for another 2 minutes. When our ham is ready, we'll sprinkle it with our spicy Georgia peanuts and serve.
Wow, wow, I'm so excited. With the holidays right around the corner, this glazed ham is perfect. And I absolutely love that you used peach jam for the glaze. I think we should actually steal that idea and use this peach jam for our cocktail.
That is such a fun idea. I've never used jam in a cocktail, but let's do that. And I love peach and mango together. It's such a dynamic duo. Let's go ahead and use the Bud Light Seltzer mango flavor for this one and make a Bud Light Seltzer peach and mango smash.
Grab a shaker tin and add 2 tablespoons of peach preserves. Add a pinch of cinnamon. Next, add 1 ounce of orange juice, then a ½ ounce of lemon juice, a ½ ounce of triple sec, add 1 ounce of whiskey. Give that a good shake. Roll it into your serving glass and top it with 1 ounce of Bud Light Seltzer Mango. Garnish this drink with a pinch of cinnamon and a cinnamon stick.
And here it is, the Bud Light Seltzer Mango and Peach Smash.
Here she is. What do you think, Demetra?
Wow, that looks amazing. I cannot wait to try it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna have that tonight.
And the Bud Light Seltzer Mango is pairing perfectly with that peach jam. I think that we have ourselves yet another unquestionably good pairing, Demetra. What do you think?
I think you guys are spot on with this drink.
Cheers to that!
Cheers.
Now run out and grab some Bud Light Seltzer and make your own unquestionably good pairing this holiday season.
Cheers to that.
Cheers!
Now you can brown that ham underneath the broiler, or if you're like me and you like to pull out the blowtorch every once in a while, this is a fine time to do it at your own risk, of course. So please be careful, but it sure is a lot of fun. Well, that was a whole lot of fun. Shouts out to the Thirsty Bartender and to Bud Light Seltzer for partnering with me on this wonderful video. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and you'll have a delicious Christmas.